Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Rio Mino bridge in Clarendon. Now this is the largest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. It's not the largest bridge in Jamaica, it's the largest bridge that is 4 lanes. You have the Portmore Causeway and there's another bridge that's 6 lanes. But this, of all the 4-lane bridges, the Harborview Bridge, the Westmoreland Bridge, this is the largest 4-lane bridge. Not the longest now. So, when Highway 2000 was being expanded from Maypen to Mandeville, it had to cross this river, and they built this bridge to cross it. Now, this won't be the largest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica for much longer, because another road project is on the way in Montego Bay, which is the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project, and that will have the largest and longest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica, but it's currently under construction as part of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Now, that bridge is not completed yet, so right now this bridge is the largest 4-lane bridge, the Rio Mino bridge. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road, I think it should be finished sometime in 2025. Now, the bridge for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road will span approximately 180 meters in length and stand 30 meters high, making it the largest of its kind in Jamaica. Alright guys, so just giving you an update. This is the Rio Mino Bridge. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.